Growing your team. Adding a new employee in ADP Workforce Now ensures they get paid correctly and are set up for benefits from day one. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. From the Workforce Now dashboard, go to Workforce, Employees. Click Add Employee. You'll be guided through a multi-step process, entering personal details, job information, title, department, manager, and compensation, salary or hourly rate. Crucially, you'll also set up the tax withholdings based on their completed Form W-4 and assign any benefit or deduction plans they're eligible for. My crucial pro tip: use the new hire onboarding workflow. Instead of entering everything yourself, you can initiate an onboarding task where the employee enters their own personal data, tax forms, and direct deposit info securely online. It's more accurate and saves you time. Once you complete and save, they're in the system for payroll. What's the trickiest part of new hire setup for you? Taxes, benefits, or compliance forms? Tell me below. For more clear-cut business guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.